Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2020 Renault Trafic short wheelbase in white. This is a 5-door medium van with just under 38,000 miles upon the clock. This is a diesel fuel type van which also comes with a 6-speed transmission as well. Now if I do just open up the cab just here, you can see that we do have 3 cloth line seats, armrest as well for the driver. Heating can be controlled just down here. This does also come with an eco mode, which when switched off improves responsivity with the pedals, but it does use up roughly around 7% more fuel in the long run. And just showing you in the back as well, this is an interior lit high line load area, which does come with cargo rings around the back of the van here to tie down any load you may want to carry, as well as an unscratched and undented bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner of this van did of course only use it for light loads. And if you would like to find out more about this Renault Trafic, then please do feel free to head over to our website anchorvans.co.uk or visit our site in Padworth just outside Reading, where you can view this van for yourself in person or one similar as well. Thank you very much.